powder.
Yeah.
Or,
Let me try it. Pag hindi ka sagot,
we get it right.
nag-collect pa kami ng ano. Promo namin kay Daddy to. For the sponsor,
Wow.
We're gonna play, okay?
Introduce yourself.
You know the game?
You know the game? I do not explain.
So you're gonna, my nose is bleeding, guys! I did something. We're gonna play. Alam niyo na ba yung mga ganito?
No.
Pronunciation.
Kids.
Just read the word, okay?
Just try your best.
So try your best. I'm gonna
Yeah.
show you the word, okay?
If you get it wrong, you get the powder on your face. But if you get it right, you get to pick one. So which one do you like? This or this? Money? Who wants to go first? Say your name first. What's your name? Ay, may ganun pa sila. Oh, you go first, Ryan. What's your name? Pick one card.
Okay, show the word.
Okay, read it.
Ready?
Come on, say it. Oh.
I don't know.
Wow, you don't know. You got it wrong.
DJ's turn.
Reggie's turn.
What is it?
How do you say it? Okay, Kai. You just have to read the word, baby, okay? If you read it right, you get money. If you get it wrong, you get pulbos.
No,
What's the word? Say it.
Kai, that's easy.
Oh.
That's easy.
Read it, Kai.
That's easy. That's easy. Well, Kai, stop.
Just the letters.
Hey, I'm the shortest.
Mouse. Okay. Short is a singular plural game, right? For example, singular is... So what's your name? The word.
Quiet.
Loaf. What's the plural for this?
I don't know.
Powder!
Yes, whatever, baby. Just for fun.
It's only for fun. The word is... Close your eyes, close your eyes. $20. The word is goose. What's the plural word of goose? Huh? No, baby, it's okay. Next. Oh my God. Hey, what's your name? Huwag mo nang magre-read.
My name is Kristen. One of the
Yet. The singular word is deer.
Deers.
Huh?
Deers.
Dear. Ang name niya po ay Dear Charo.
That's your final answer? Final answer? Wrong! No coaching! Next! Same word ba? Same word. Until we get...
Gonna say the same. Different word.
Guess what? I already said deers. Deer, eh?
So deers is wrong. The word is... Oh? No! Yeah, we're a different word because it was already wrong.
Wait.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Powder. Next word, guys, deer.
Dearer.
Full boss. The word is... Word is...
Oh my God.
Pinocchio.
Phenomenon.
Same.
Wrong! Next! Oh, Dani. What's your name?
Phenomena.
What? Guys. Ano ko yan? Si Car. What's your name, Car?
My name is Carl Benjamin Vergado.
That's the word, guys. This is the word. Syllabus. So what's the plural word of syllabus? No bashing, guys. Only for fun.
5, 4,
4, 3, 2, what? Final answer? Spell? Spell mo nga.
I don't know.
Wrong! Anong silabo? Silaba o silabo? Baka tayo yun. Hindi sila. What's the word?
Okay, next.
Girls! So what's the word?
Syllabus.
What's the
So what's the plural word of syllabus?
Syllabi.
What?
Syllabi.
Syllabi.
Talo kayo ni Miguel, guys. $1. The word is... Okay, spy. The word is spy.
Spaces.
Yes! That's spice. What? Close your eyes. Uy, $5? Okay, the word is...
Cactus.
Same thing.
What? Don't change? Wow, confident. You have to read the word closer. Ah! Ay, $1. Yeah!
Just one. Oh, just one.
Good. Good job! The word is... Fungus! Good job! Hali ka. Yabang ah. The plural word of fungus. What? Parang hindi ka pa sure. What's the plural word of half?
Calves.
Oh, good job! Adi ka pa nanalo.
You got this.
What's the plural word of... Say it. So, what's the word?
Knives.
Wow, confident! Confident ka ngayon, ha? The singular word is... So, what's the plural word? Talo ang mga girls, talo ang girls. Haven't won anything. The singular word is... What's the plural word? Risa, naku, wala ka pang... Ikaw na vloggerist na talo. The word is...
Woman.
Oh, what's the plural word?
Woman.
Wow! Wow! Agbi... Ay! Parang nasilip ka. Haven't won anything, Carl. The singular word is...
Tail.
Oxtail? Ah, oxtail. Okay, good. what's the singular word? The plural word. Oh yay! No. Favorite mo to, girl. Favorite mo to. Favorite niya. The word is chocolate daw, guys. Chocolate. Stimulus.
Tuit, ang tuit.
This is the word.
Ano na?
The word is... Wait. Judgmental.
Bukas yan. Bukas. Alam nyo nga na yan.
Bukas na lang.